If your iPhone 15 keeps showing a no service error on iOS 26, it means your device cannot connect to the cellular network, which stops you from calling, texting, or using mobile data. Here's how to fix it quickly and get your signal back. Start by restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot often clears minor glitches that trigger the no service error on an iPhone 15. Swipe down from the top right corner, tap the power icon, and slide the bar to shut it down. After a few seconds, hold the side key to turn it back on. If the issue continues, reset your network settings. This restores default configurations and removes conflicts that can block cellular service on iOS 26. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings and follow the on-screen instructions. If the no service issue persists, reseat your SIM card. Reseating the SIM helps fix loose contact that can cause signal loss on an iPhone 15. Remove the SIM tray with a SIM pin, take out the SIM, check for dirt or moisture, then place it back securely. And if none of these solve the no service error, contact your mobile carrier. They can check for outages, account issues, or network problems affecting your iPhone 15. If this video helped you restore your signal, please give it a like, or watch another video to learn more useful iPhone fixes.